In today's video, I am going to talk about how to do this amazing wing and eye illusions primer. And I'm going to put a little bit on my eyes to help the eyeshadow to stay on. So I don't want it to stay tacky, so I'm just going to pop a shade closest to my skin tone to make it set. So I'm going to be using this palette and I'm going to be using this shade just to set it. So I'm just going to tap it on like so. Just going to tap it onto my lid. I'm just going to do the same to the other eye. As well. Right, so today I'm using palette 1 from Younique, and these are the shades I'm going to be using. I won't be straying away from these shades at all. I might end up using the Ted Baker shadow palette, and I'll be just using the brown if I need to. So, start off with, I'm just going to quickly wipe that brush. So then it's a bit cleaner to come to use. I'm going to be getting my Younique blend brush. So it's a blending brush, and I'm just going to be getting the shade Elite, which is that one. And I get quite a bit of it, tap the excess off, I don't want, and then if you put your mirror chin level, it makes you look down. So I'm just going into the corner, into my crease, sorry, with that shade. And I'll do the same off camera to the other eye. And I'm just going to keep on building this up. As you can see, you can already see it being built. Now, you hold your brush about there. You don't want to hold it there because it's not a pencil. So you just want to hold it like there. You can either go circle motion or you can go window wiper motion, like so. I like doing window wiper with a bit of a wiggle. So I'm ready to move on to the next shade. And for my next shade, I'm going into Sincere, I think. I'm going to go into this shade here. Just a little bit. Just to darken it up a bit. So again, chin. And into the crease. Get a bit more of that shade, tap the excess off, and pop it in. And just keep on building it up like so. And now I'm going to get I'm going to get my flat brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Chipper, which is that one. And this is my, I would say it's not exactly flat, but It's my Ted Baker brush, so I'm going to tap the excess off. Don't want a lot on. And now I'm just going to work here, straight into the crease with this shade. Make sure you mirror that chin line. And just go straight into the crease. I'm going to get a bit more product. And then into the crease. I'm going to do some circular motion. Now if you think your colour, your dark colour is going up too high, get another flat brush and just go into a shade which is your skin colour and just pat it down on your eyebrow, whereas my shade hasn't done that yet. And you just keep on building. I will put a link for the products I've used in the description. And because I'm just going to be using mainly one palette, it will be one thing, probably one link. So, I've done this, and every time you build it, don't keep looking in your mirror, step away before you add another colour and look in your big mirror, just to see how good it looks from afar. And if you think it needs more, then add more. And now I want to go into Fourth Right, which is this shade here. And with this shade, I'm going to be focusing it. Not going to put a lot on, just into the corner. I'm just going to do a bit of circular motion and bring it a little bit there. And then I'm going to get my blending brush and I'm just going to blend that in, like so. And then I'm going to go into Zealous, which is just right at the end there. And I'm just going to get a little bit, tap that off, and I'm just going to pop it right in the corner. Like so. If it helps, try doing it from a different angle in the mirror and crossing your arms and working from it from the top. Because sometimes you just need a different angle to see it. So I'm just going to get my blending brush and do that like so. And look at my big mirror. I'm going to add a little bit more of Fourth Right. And I'm just going to pop that just in the corner. And now I'm going to go and just look I think it still needs a little bit more, so I'm going to get my flattened brush and I'm just going to add tap a little bit there. And then I'm going to get this brush, which is just a Primark little pack of brushes. They're like travel brushes, so it's like these. They're all blue and I think there was 5. So I'm just going to get this and just buff it out. Like so. And now I'm going to do it on the other eye.